Hi, my name is Nancy and welcome to the UNLV Nutrition Center. Today I'm going to talk to you about food safety. So, why is food safety important? So, 1 in 6 people in the US get sick from eating contaminated food annually. Food-borne diseases cause about 48 million illnesses annually in the United States, leading to 128,000 people being hospitalized and 3,000 deaths. 600 million foodborne illnesses occur annually and worldwide, resulting in 420,000 deaths in 2010. And this is according to WHO and the CDC. Food safety is important in order to detect, manage, and prevent foodborne illnesses. So what can you do to avoid these foodborne illnesses? One of the major things you can do is keep things clean. So germs can cause illnesses such as microorganisms, including bacteria and viruses, and they can easily survive in your kitchen and other surfaces. Some things you can do to prevent germs from spreading are washing your hands for 20 seconds with water and soap during and after preparing food and eating. Make sure to wash your fruits and vegetables prior to preparation, and wash and sanitize surfaces that will come in contact with food. Another way you can prevent foodborne illnesses is to prevent cross-contamination. So what is cross-contamination? It's the transfer of microorganisms from one surface or substance to another. So preventing this, you can separate raw meat and poultry and seafood from other foods while shopping, and while just setting it aside for storage, as well as using different cutting boards for products during preparation. And that includes a different cutting board for vegetables and a different cutting board for your meat and poultry. So another way to prevent foodborne illnesses is time and temperature control. One of the key things of time and temperature control is keeping foods out of the temperature danger zone. So what is the temperature danger zone? It is the optimal temperature for most harmful bacteria to grow, and it's between 41 degrees Fahrenheit to 135 degrees Fahrenheit. Ways to keep your food out of this zone is to store, cook, or chill the food above or below this range. Chilling your food means perishable items such as meat, broccoli, and dairy products. And this should be chilled for 2 hours of purchasing or before cooking. You want to refrigerate the food within 1 hour if the temperature is above 90 degrees. And in Las Vegas, it does get above that. When we talk about heating, we mean cooking food to an internal temperature above 135 degrees or other temperature ranges depending on the type of food you're cooking. And you can find this on the CDC and the USDA website. Safe internal temperatures do vary. For example, a safe internal temperature for chicken is 145 degrees Fahrenheit, and for ground beef is 160 degrees Fahrenheit. The temperature of food should be measured immediately after cooking by a reliable thermometer. So, because we are in the pantry, we're going to talk a bit about canned food safety. So what are canned foods? Canned food is food that is made shelf stable through heat processing to 250 degrees Fahrenheit, so you kill all the potentially harmful microorganisms. It is then vacuum sealed in an airtight container or can. This method destroys potentially harmful microorganisms such as C. botulinum. Proper storage of canned foods means storing them in cool and dry places. Optimal temperature is under 85 degrees Fahrenheit. And after you open these canned foods, they should be refrigerated and sealed. So when should you discard your canned foods? Discard heavily rusted cans. Rusted cans may have holes which allow bacteria to enter. Discard deeply dented cans. If a can has a small dent but is intact, the food is safe to eat. However, discard the food if it's bulging or the can is leaking. So thank you for listening. Please, if you have any questions, please email us at the UNLV Nutrition Center, and that's nutrition.center@unlv.edu, or the food pantry, and that's food.pantry@unlv.edu. The information that I presented today was from the CDC, FDA, and USDA, as well as WHO.